Barry is back on the tropical cyclones list for 2025, and as recently as 2019, Barry was a hurricane that made landfall in the U.S. Let's take a look back at the history of the 7 tropical systems named Barry. The first Barry formed back in August 1983 and eventually matured into a hurricane. 1983, Barry made landfall in eastern Florida as a tropical storm, re-strengthened in the Gulf, and then made a second landfall in Mexico as a Cat 1 hurricane. Since the 1980s, 6 of the 7 iterations of Barry made landfall somewhere in North America. The most recent landfall occurred in Louisiana in 2019, also with a Cat 1 status. Additionally, 6 of the previous 7 Barrys developed around the Caribbean, the Gulf, or near the U.S. East Coast, which are typical development hotspots for June and early July. Remember that names like Barry are recycled every 6 years unless the World Meteorological Organization decides to retire the name. For 13 News Now, I'm meteorologist Taylor Stephenson.